Ryzen names can feel like secret codes. Ryzen 3, 5, 7, 9. Are we building a PC or calling bingo? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they mean. Ryzen 3. Ryzen 3 is the entry gate to the Ryzen family, the budget-friendly way to get into the PC world without selling your kidney. Think of it as the bus pass of CPUs. Reliable, affordable, and it gets you where you need to go. Most Ryzen 3 chips come with 4 cores, which is like having 4 little workers inside your computer. Each one handles a task. One might stream your Netflix, another keeps your Chrome tabs open, another runs your Zoom call, and the last one makes sure the system clock doesn't lose its mind. For everyday stuff, browsing, online classes, spreadsheets, and even a bit of light gaming, Ryzen 3 feels smooth and dependable. But here's the catch. Don't ask it to do heavy lifting. Toss it into modern AAA gaming on ultra settings, 4K video editing, or professional 3D modeling, and it'll start begging for mercy. It's like taking a hatchback to a Formula One race. Wrong tool for the job. Still, Ryzen 3 knows its limit. It's perfect for students, office workers, or anyone who just wants a PC that works without constant freezes. Not flashy, not overpowered, but steady. The dependable friend who always shows up. Ryzen 5. Ryzen 5 is where things start to get exciting, the sweet spot for most people. If Ryzen 3 is a bus pass, Ryzen 5 is your first car. It's got independence, speed, and the flexibility to take you places without breaking the bank. With 6 to 8 cores, Ryzen 5 has the horsepower to handle everyday work and also step confidently into the world of gaming and content creation. Playing esports titles at 1080p? Smooth. Running Zoom while editing video? Easy. Want to stream while gaming at the same time? Go for it. Ryzen 5 does all of that without breaking into a sweat. The beauty of Ryzen 5 is balance. It's not just about raw performance, it's about value. You get plenty of power for school projects, creative hobbies, or gaming nights, but you're not overspending on features you'll never use. That's why it's so popular among gamers, students, professionals on a budget. Think of Ryzen 5 as a home-cooked meal. Affordable, satisfying, and exactly what most people need to keep going every day. No wonder Ryzen 5 is AMD's golden child. Ryzen 7. This chip usually packs 8 or more cores, and that means serious multitasking power. If Ryzen 3 was a hatchback and Ryzen 5 was your first reliable car, Ryzen 7 is like a full SUV. Big, powerful, and built for more demanding journeys. This is the CPU for content creators, pros, and hardcore gamers. Imagine a kitchen. Ryzen 3 has one cook. Ryzen 5 adds a sous chef, but Ryzen 7 brings in a full kitchen staff, working side by side. You can game, stream, record, edit, and keep dozens of Chrome tabs open without your PC wheezing in the background. One of Ryzen 7's biggest perks is future-proofing. While smaller CPUs start to feel outdated as software grows heavier, Ryzen 7 stays relevant for years. That means if you buy it now, you won't feel pressure to upgrade anytime soon. Sure, it's more expensive than Ryzen 5, but the trade-off is worth it if you demand more than good enough. If you're a creator, streamer, or someone who just hates limits, Ryzen 7 is the sweet spot of power, endurance, and long-term value. Ryzen 9. Now we're in powerhouse territory. These chips pack 12 to 16 cores, and that's like having an entire construction crew working inside your PC. Instead of a few hands juggling tasks, you've got a small army moving things at once. Ryzen 9 is built for serious workloads. We're talking 3D modeling, 4K, and even 8K video editing, engineering simulations, software development, or running multiple virtual machines. Basically, anything that makes a normal CPU cry. It's like the big league of processors where only the most demanding users truly need what it offers. Here's the thing. If you buy Ryzen 9 just for gaming, you're wasting potential. It's like hiring a chef like Guy Fieri to make microwave popcorn. Sure, it'll do it flawlessly, but you're leaving most of the talent untouched. For games alone, Ryzen 5 or 7 are more than enough. But if you're a professional who edits, renders, or designs for a living, Ryzen 9 is a dream. It doesn't just handle tasks, it bulldozes through them. It's the chip that says, "Throw me your toughest job, I dare you." For casual users, overkill. For power users, perfection. Ryzen Pro. Now let's step into the office world with Ryzen Pro. These chips aren't made for flashy gaming rigs or streaming setups. They're designed for businesses, IT departments, and organizations that care about stability and security above all else. Ryzen Pro CPUs come with features like memory encryption, secure boot, and longer support cycles. Why does that matter? Because businesses don't want to swap hardware every 2 years, and they definitely don't want data leaks or surprise crashes. Ryzen Pro ensures thousands of company PCs keep running smoothly day after day. Think of it this way. If Ryzen 5 or 7 is the cool kid you'd build a gaming PC with, Ryzen Pro is the serious, suit-wearing older brother who shows up on time, never complains, and makes sure the bills get paid. It's not about performance fireworks, it's about dependability. These processors are what you'll likely find in office desktops or business laptops, the kind your IT guy locks down so you can't install games during lunch breaks. Ryzen Pro isn't flashy, but it's the quiet workhorse that keeps the office running without chaos. Threadripper. And finally, the top of the food chain. Even the name sounds like it belongs to a WWE champion. This isn't just a CPU, it's a workstation monster designed for workloads that make even a Ryzen 9 look small. Threadripper chips pack a mind-boggling number of cores and threads, sometimes double or triple what a normal CPU offers. They're built for the toughest jobs out there: animating movies, rendering entire 3D environments, crunching massive scientific data sets, or editing video projects so huge that standard computers would tap out instantly. They're so powerful that they don't even fit into regular motherboards. Threadripper has its own special socket, and those boards look more like spaceship control panels than PC parts. Cooling is another challenge, and this chip runs hot, so it demands industrial-grade solutions to keep it in check. For the average person, Threadripper is absolute overkill. It's like buying a tank just to drive to the grocery store. But for professionals, engineers, animators, scientists, and editors, it's a game-changing weapon.